black cat and the hen. He wanted to be their friend. The hen asked him, "Can you lay eggs?" The ugly duckling shook his head. The black cat said angrily, "Go away, you are not welcome here." He had to leave sadly. Cold winter came. The snow had to go. He hid in the weeds to survive. After a long cold winter, warm spring arrived. He came out of the reeds. He wanted to stretch his body. He flapped his wings and slapped into it. 3 swans swam over to greet him. "Hello, beautiful swan. Why do they call me a swan?" He looked down at his reflection in the water. White feathers and graceful posture. The ugly duckling finally found he had become a beautiful white swan. The 3 little pigs. The 3 little pigs grew up. Their mom told them to live on their own. They needed to build their own houses. The first pig loved to sleep. He didn't want to work hard. He built a straw house quickly. He lay in the house and slept soundly. The second pig loved to eat. He didn't want to spend time building. He built a wooden house. He ate and drank inside happily. The third pig was the most hardworking. He carried cart after cart of bricks. He built a strong brick house slowly. Soon a big bad wolf came. He wanted to eat the 3 pigs. He first came to the straw house. He took a deep breath. He blew hard and knocked down the straw house. The first pig ran to the wooden house. Soon after, bang! The wolf crashed into the wooden house. The 2 pigs were very scared. They ran to the third pig's brick house. The wolf stepped back. He rushed at the brick house. Ouch! That hurt! The wolf cried out loudly. The brick house was too strong. He couldn't break it no matter how hard he tried. He tried to climb down the chimney. The 3 pigs lit the fire quickly. When the wolf climbed down, his bottom got burned badly. He had to